My contestant this year is Andrew Kenny, and really he's getting on tremendous because I haven't been in contact with him since he moved away to work in Dublin, but I was surprised that he has latched onto this so well, and he's taken to the stage like a duck to water, and he's doing great, and I'm very, very happy with him. Sure, I know Andy all my life. He knows me since he was a kid because his mum and dad were fans of mine and used to come to the band, and they used to bring Andrew along. Well, I always say to them, you do what you do best, and don't try to do what you're not able to do. I always just stayed within my own limits, and I advise any young competitor to pick out his niche and see what he's good at, and if he's good at that, stay with that. And most important of all, especially for Irish lads that are in the country scene, there's no need to go to Nashville, and there's no need to be singing with an American accent. We have the best country singers in the world, and be proud of being an Irish country singer and singing your own accent, no matter what county you're from. There's a slight difference performing to cameras than there is strictly to a live audience, because you have to perform to a camera instead of performing to a wider thing. But I'd say at this stage in my life it doesn't bother me, and I'm a great fan of all kinds, all types of music, that no matter what you think of. And I think the young people that's out today are doing a fantastic job. The young artists that are on the scene at the moment. But I'll tell you one thing. They'll want to keep going strong, because there's nothing wrong with the old fellas either. I'm a farmer in South Roscommon. Myself and my wife Kathleen, we breed Angus cattle, Angus beef, and I'll tell you one thing, that takes up most of the time. It's Mr. Brendan O'Shine, Fake or Glór Tíre, Gach Céadaoin on TG4.